7 Sigma Off-Grade.
So today we are surveying the land, and this little area here, we're going to clear this space out so that the trucks and everything can come in with the equipment so that we can build a house. So all of this stuff needs to go. There are quite a bit of rocks and bushes in this area. This needs to be cleared out. We have a driveway there and the no trespassing sign so that people can know that we own the property. And there's nothing that's still up there anywhere unless they want to cut down some trees. You can see a little bit on the right, a driveway, sort of a semblance of a driveway. And on the left here, we have some dead bushes that we definitely need to get rid of and make that area that is the beginning of our driveway nice.
1, 2, 3 trees, clearing all this brush all the way down.
We have a lot of oak trees on the land, and we're picking out which trees we want to keep or which trees we want to get rid of. We need to clear out the space so that we can see where we want to build a house. We also want to have a garden. So, where would we put our garden? Where would the driveway go? And definitely clear out the space so that we can see what we're working with. The property is actually on a hill, so we need to figure out, where are the flat spots. We have a lot of dead trees on the land, lots of dead trees, and this is one of the trees that we definitely need to get rid of. We are not going to get rid of that tree down there by the creek. We're going to do that ourselves, but definitely get rid of all these bushes.
Clear all of this out. No grading, just clearing, except for this tree.
Do not get rid of that tree. But you definitely want to get rid of this tree. I don't know how we're going to get rid of the rocks, but I'm sure my husband will figure that out. Yay, we have somewhat of a semblance of a driveway. We're going to definitely clear this out and pave a driveway. So this is our new driveway. Yay! Oh, it looks so much better, so much better. Everything is cleared out and it's actually pretty big.
Looking good over here, nice and clean.
I would love to pave it, but yeah, I know that's probably not gonna happen. So we might end up getting gravel. But yeah, we got a new driveway. I'm excited. As you can see, we have construction going on. We are finally getting rid of the bushes and, again, big rocks on the property. We marked the trees that we wanted to keep. Again, we have lots of beautiful oak trees up here, quite old, and so we didn't want to, get rid of those. We wanted to keep the trees because they grow out beautifully in the summertime. Construction guy, he is taking out the bushes finally. We can finally see what we are working with. So this is new for us. We are city folks, being out in the mountains, construction and dirt and all of that. As you can see, they are clearing out the space. They cleared out quite a bit of space on the property, and we are finally getting to see what our property looked like without all the bushes and rubble and whatnot. And we're finally getting to see what the land and the property looks like as far as flat spaces and hills, where the dips are. This would help us to figure out where we want to build a home and where we can actually park an RV. Wow! Oh my God, it don't even look the same. It don't even look the same. So I'm kind of like just really freaked out that they really cleared out everything.
It's a lot of firewood right here.
We cleaned the out of it.
Now you can see what you're working with.
Told you.
You was right. Now you can see the little dam. You can actually walk over to the dam.
Wow.
Didn't know. You fucking all them bushes.
Yep, all of this is still flat.
Wow.
That's a lot of land to work with. They cleared out everything, and as you can see, we kept all the trees there. We could see our property. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. We are excited to be taking this journey and going on this new adventure. And these are our guys who hooked us up. And right now it's summer, so you know, all of this is just dirt. It hasn't rained in quite a while.
You can see everything. And we in there now, goddammit.
Huh?
I said we in here now.
Yeah. I was thinking that. I was like, well, maybe it's pretty bad. It will be something to see when it does rain, and you know, when things start to grow in grass and flowers, and oh, can you just imagine? It's gonna be so beautiful. Just the new driveway. They cleared it all out, and our driveway goes all the way down there. It's all cleared out. And then this would be our house. They cleared all that out. Land. And then this would be where we would put the RV while they're building the house. And we kept some rocks too, because we had like these big boulder rocks that was next to the driveway with a tree, and we wanted to keep that area for aesthetic purposes.
Yep. And this is where he came and flattened out the easement so trucks can get in here.
This right here, again, this is our easement. He cleared out the easement, and you know, we have a space for trucks
To be able to get in the gate, give us some more room to maneuver. So you can make that turn into the property. So this is definitely wide enough. We can get a wheel truck and to get a fifth wheel, and for whatever builders in the future get their rigs in. Definitely gotta kill this gate. He's gonna fill in some more land so it won't be as steep coming up the driveway. We're gonna have to spend a little bit more bread and get this gate taken out. Might be two 15-inch or 12 feet gates. I'm killing this post right here in the middle. When he comes back from lunch, he's gonna take this dirt, fill in this part so it won't be so steep. job widening it out. This county requires 15 feet width for the fire department to be able to come up if there's a fire. So you're gonna use this dirt to level back up. Need to figure out where we can put all this. The driveway has been cut in. Yeah, gravel's gonna be expensive.
But when we're walking up this driveway, you can actually feel how steep the driveway is. I mean, like, I'm huffing and puffing. My husband's huffing and puffing, and we're getting a workout just walking up and down this driveway here. But yeah. And we didn't clear out everything. On the left here is, we haven't even started on the left. We didn't clear anything out there on the left because it's down there is an embankment and there's a little stream down there. And we didn't clear that space out. We will probably end up doing that sometime later in the future. But we did want to clear out the right side of the space because that's where the bulk of the land is, and that is where we are looking to build our home. So you can see here on the left, none of that is cleared out. They didn't touch that space. It still has quite a bit of bushes and rocks, and it's just, you know, free wild land over there. So but we have quite a bit of land, 22 acres, and we can actually go hiking on our own property. I'm just so excited. I'm gonna keep saying that because, you know, before this was cleared out, it was all grass and stuff, and it's really hard to imagine when everything is just, you know, all grown in. And so when everything is cleared out, it's just easier to see and easier to envision. And, you know, you start to see your vision finally coming into fruition.
This is going to be the flat part for taking back the fifth wheel in.
Seven Sigma off-grade.